Becoming a parent is a transformative journey. It's a time filled with excitement, anticipation, and a fair share of nerves. To ease the transition, a well-thought-out checklist can be a lifesaver. First things first, preparing your home is crucial. Start with the basics: a safe crib, a reliable stroller, and a car seat. But it's not just about gear. Safety-proofing your home is essential. Cover electrical outlets, secure furniture to walls, and store hazardous items out of reach. Create a dedicated space for baby care, ensuring everything you need is within arm's reach. This will make those late-night feedings and diaper changes smoother. Next, let's talk numbers. Babies come with a new set of expenses. From diapers to daycare, planning your finances is key. Start by adjusting your budget to accommodate baby-related costs. Consider opening a savings account for your child's future education. And don't forget about insurance. Health, life, and disability insurance can provide peace of mind for the unexpected. Emotional readiness is just as important as the practical aspects. Parenthood is a roller coaster of emotions. It's okay to feel overwhelmed. Seek support from family, friends, or parenting groups. Communicate openly with your partner about fears and expectations. Remember, it's a learning process for everyone involved. In conclusion, while the checklist for preparing for parenthood is extensive, taking it step by step can make the journey less daunting and more enjoyable. Welcome to parenthood.